Hey, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are talking about Bangladesh, a country located in South Asia. From its vibrant culture to its stunning natural beauty, Bangladesh has a lot to offer. Let's dive in and learn more about this fascinating country. First off, let's talk about Bangladesh's geography and location. Bangladesh is bordered by India to the north, east, and west, and Myanmar to the southeast. The country is also home to the world's largest delta, the Ganges Delta, which spans over 105,000 square kilometers. Now let's move on to Bangladesh's history and culture. Bangladesh has a rich and diverse cultural heritage, with influences from Hinduism, Buddhism, and Islam. The country has a long and complex history, having been ruled by various empires and kingdoms throughout the centuries. Next, let's talk about Bangladesh's economy. The country has experienced significant economic growth over the past decade, with a focus on agriculture, textiles, and technology. Bangladesh is also one of the world's largest producers of ready-made garments, accounting for a significant portion of the country's export earnings. Moving on to Bangladesh's tourist attractions. The country is home to many natural wonders, including the Sundarbans, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and the world's largest mangrove forest. Other must-visit destinations include Cox's Bazar, the world's longest natural sea beach, and Srimangal, the tea capital of Bangladesh. And let's not forget about Bangladesh's cuisine. The country's food is known for its bold flavors and use of spices. Some of Bangladesh's most popular dishes include biryani, a rice-based dish typically made with meat, fish or vegetables, and samosas, a deep-fried pastry filled with spiced potatoes and vegetables. And that's a wrap on our video about Bangladesh. We hope you enjoyed learning about this beautiful country. If you've visited Bangladesh before, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more travel content. Thanks for watching.